Join me as I dive deep into the mystery of Neptune and take on the challenge of figuring out if it's really changing its orbit. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, has been a point of interest for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike for decades. Its icy blue atmosphere, strong winds, and mysterious interior have captivated our imagination, and recently there's been a buzz about a potential change in its orbit. But what's behind this buzz, and is there any truth to it? There are concerns that Neptune's orbit might be changing. And if so, what does this mean for our understanding of the solar system? Scientists have raised red flags, suggesting that even slight alterations in Neptune's orbit could have significant implications for the entire solar system. For instance, it could affect the trajectory of nearby celestial bodies, causing a ripple effect throughout the cosmos. This potential change has sparked a lively debate among astronomers, with some arguing that it's a natural fluctuation, while others believe it could be a more significant shift. Furthermore, these concerns are not just theoretical. They're rooted in observations and data that suggest Neptune's orbit might be deviating from its predicted path. The precision of modern astronomical measurements has allowed us to detect even slight changes in the planet's motion, leading some scientists to question whether our current understanding of Neptune's orbit is accurate. This has spawned a flurry of research, with scientists poring over historical data, running simulations, and re-examining our current models of the solar system. The fact that Neptune's orbit is so distant from us and its icy composition makes it difficult to study only adds to the complexity of the issue. The lack of concrete data has led to a multitude of hypotheses, each attempting to explain the observed anomalies. While some scientists propose that the change could be caused by the gravitational pull of nearby celestial bodies, others argue that it might be related to the planet's internal dynamics. The debate is ongoing, and it's clear that there's still much to be learned about Neptune's orbit. Neptune's current trajectory is an elliptical orbit that takes about 165 Earth years to complete. Historical data suggests that its orbit has remained relatively stable over the past few centuries, but recent observations have revealed some intriguing anomalies. For instance, its perihelion, or the point at which it's closest to the Sun, appears to be shifting. Delving deeper into Neptune's orbit, we find that its axial tilt is responsible for its extreme seasons. This tilt, combined with its slow rotation period, results in some pretty wild weather patterns. The winds on Neptune can reach up to 1,500 miles per hour, making them some of the fastest in the solar system. This unique combination of factors makes Neptune's orbit fascinating, but also challenging to study. In addition to its unique characteristics, Neptune's orbit has also been influenced by its moons. The planet's largest moon, Triton, is thought to have originated from the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune's orbit. Triton's capture by Neptune's gravity likely had a significant impact on the planet's orbit, and scientists continue to study this event to better understand the evolution of the solar system. Some researchers have suggested that Neptune's orbit might be changing due to the gravitational influence of the Kuiper Belt itself. This region contains countless small, icy bodies that could collectively affect Neptune's motion. While this idea is still purely theoretical, it highlights the complex interplay between Neptune's orbit and the surrounding environment. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence suggesting that Neptune's orbit is changing comes from a recent study that analysed the planet's motion over the past few decades. The researchers found a subtle but significant deviation in Neptune's orbit, which couldn't be explained by our current models. This finding has sparked a renewed interest in the topic, with many scientists calling for further investigation. Other researchers have pointed to the planet's internal dynamics as a potential cause for the change in its orbit. Neptune's core is thought to be extremely hot, with temperatures reaching up to 5,000 degrees Celsius. This heat could be driving convection in the planet's interior, leading to a shift in its orbit. In conclusion, the question of whether Neptune is changing its orbit is a complex and multifaceted one. While there are concerns about the potential implications of a changing orbit, the scientific community is still in the process of gathering data and refining our understanding of this phenomenon. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mysteries of Neptune's orbit. If you have any thoughts on this topic, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to explore more of the wonders of the Milky Way and our solar system, be sure to hit the like and follow button so you don't miss any of our future videos.